Pakistan's secret nuke. Across there, the Kabul River, and across there, that's the Attock pool. There you go. The sugarcane juice.
Uncle da Khairabad te come to the KPK boundary da Punjab sara. Here, the pool start ki.
Look at all these different stones, different colours.
The pool start from. Here, the KPK ki razi o banda board lage dele da. Khuda Hafiz Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. अच्छा कला कला ची नवाज शरीफ मुशर्रफ ډیر اولمپیز ال گرفتار کو کنه نو دلته یې بند کړو ها.
This is where Nawaz Sharif when he got nicked, he was in this place here, but you know how it goes, he got out. This is the world famous Attock pool. It separates KPK from Punjab province. Real nice place. We're on the mission now to look for the big bullet. See if we can find it. I think it's by that pool somewhere, if my memory is correct.
دا خیرآباد روډ دی د نظامپور او خیرآباد نوشهره روډ دی لکه کنه که نظامپور نه یو سړی راځي نو آبا دلته خیرآباد ته راځي او بیا بعد د هغې نه ټیټي روډ دی دا مخامخ چې کوم دی نو دا د اټک د پنجاب او د کې پي کې کم چې کم دوه پلونه دي نو مخامخ دي ورسره د اکبر باچا کلاره او دا هغه ریل ټریک دی چې په 1883 کې راجا هودي جوړ کړی نو دا د هغه وخت هغه ریلوے ټریک دی دا کم چې دې سره څوکیدار پاتې کېږي د هغه کوارټر دی او دا مخامخ ریلوے ټریک دی دا د پنجاب نه راځي داسې کې پي کې ته ځي او ډېرو علاقو باندې تېرېږي مخامخ.
That there is the railway track from the British times. We'll have a little look at it now, have a little peek. Tell you what, it's nice and cool here. People walk across it, I'm not sure. Yeah, well that geezer did there, so I'm sure you can go through there. Taking photographs of Attock Bridge is strictly prohibited. Okay, and it comes from here, all it's here, and look how old this is. It's still standing though. Still looks good. So we're just gonna have a little mooch up here. Now it's like, not like them steps. Since that mission from that Buddhist place last time. Got big calves there. From here you can see it. That's the railway track and it goes all the way across. Attock Bridge, west side. Okay, beautiful. Get back down and have a little walk to the other side. I tell you what, it's beautiful here, you know. Yeah, it's just so nice, it's clean. It's an amazing place. Beautiful. Okay, let's get down. Have a little walk through here. I'll show you the top where the train runs through. And this is, I'm presuming, back in the day, was it horse and cart probably went through. It's windy up here, but I tell you one thing, it's beautiful, you know. It's just the right weather to come here as well. Nice and cool. Ooh, it's that bloody big drop as well. This is the other side. We made it to the other side. So we're gonna head back on that walk. And that's the guys who built it. West was Bailey or something, called engineers, 1880. And that's all the pillars of the bridges, the massive. I tell you, this camera don't do it justice. And down there you can see where the indication was for how high the river was. I imagine this river was very high at that time. That's why they made this bridge. Awesome, beautiful, mashallah. Awesome engineering there. Let's have a cup of tea or maybe a bite. I don't know yet. But mashallah, little place to pray. So no excuses, wherever you go there's always somewhere to pray. Some secret nuke. It's a memorial and I'll show you. That's all the writing there. 100 years of glorious service. It's a war memorial, 40th Battalions, Punjab Regiment. If you know your history, you know what it's about. Something to do with the Great War. Just walk up here, step here. What I have noticed is a lot of rubbish around it, so obviously tourists come around here and they have a look at it. But probably chuck their rubbish with no regards to what's going on. But that's it there. This looks nice. And from there you get a good view. That's the old railway track. Across there the Kabul River. And across there that's the Attock pool. And that's it there. It's just a shame that everybody's throwing rubbish and stuff. Not good, is it? Gonna have a nice cup of tea. Dip the old biscuit in there. It's getting dark now.